Okay guys, so today I'm going to be working on a 2007 Nissan Maxima. I'm going to change out the camshaft sensor bank 1. I've already did this on this car before, so hopefully the harness is not jacked up, but the car is right here, that's why I'm looking. So hopefully the harness is not jacked up, because I'd rather change the sensor because it's under warranty, so it's free at this point. So I'm going to go ahead and unbolt and unscrew a few things and get this sensor off and go run it up to Autozone and put it in, because the car is running a little rough. So and it's bringing up that P0340 code on the 2000 Nissan Maxima. Yeah. So I'm going to get started with that. I'm going to let you guys take a look and follow along with me. So I'll be right back. I'm just going to grab the tools that I need to do the process, and then I will definitely let you guys follow along. And yeah. And also, like and subscribe to my channel. I'm pretty new at this, so support. Like, follow, subscribe. I'll do the same thing with you. I already follow numerous of people on YouTube following, so thank you. So this is the camshaft sensor, sensor bank 1. I'm gonna be using this 10mm wrench to get the bolts off. Pretty easy to do it that way. I'm gonna release this hose as well, so I'm about to release this clamp, so it'll be much easier to just pop the sensor off here in a moment, because I don't want to run into any trouble. But yeah, this video is going to be very short, and I'm actually going to take it off, go up to this Autozone up the street, change it out for its warranty, and then come back and show you guys just how to clip it back on real quick. And that's pretty much it. So let me adjust my camera. I'll go ahead and remove this hose here for a moment, and let me put my gloves on. Before I get started, guys, I'm going to remove the post off the battery. That's what I am going to do. So I'm going to stop the video for a moment, and I'll be right back. Take the post off the battery. I'm actually going to take both of them off, not just one. So I will be back. Okay, so I'm back. I'm about to remove this battery and get it popping. So I already have that socket on there. Let me see here. Need this to sit up for me. Do your job. So go ahead and remove this bolt. It's pretty easy. I think I'm gonna replace this positive. Sorry guys, my stand's not working for me. So you can't really see too much because of the position. Let me see. There we go. Boom. So let me go ahead and remove this socket. This bolt. Okay, it's pretty loose. So that was on a 10mm. I'm actually going to replace this positive terminal one day. I've already replaced this one. I just went to AutoZone, spent about a good, no more than $10 on another terminal post, and just cut the other one off and replaced it. But let's see here. So I'm going to go ahead, put this one on here. And there we go. Quick little bolt change. This socket here is 1.5 socket. So I just want to take that off. Take it off, because I don't want nothing shorting out. And I'll just push that back and take this part that was on there to just kind of block it from touching the terminal. And this is plastic, so it'll be good. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my wrench and continue to take off. Well, let me go ahead and take off this hose and move it out the way. Let me see if you guys can see that. Yes, you can. So I'm going to position the camera back so I can let you guys see down off in there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get my wrench and remove the hose. Well, go ahead and get my pliers and remove the hole. Okay, move that up a little bit. First time I took this off, it was real easy. So I'm going to try this one as well. Yeah, that should just come off like that with no problem. Yeah, there we go. It's like I know it comes off some type of way. Take it all the way off. Oh, doesn't want to change, so stick it behind there. So, there you have it. I just pushed it out the way. Go ahead and loosen up the bolt. Last time I did this, I think I took off everything. Like literally. Like I think I took off a whole bunch of stuff. Cause I think I did because I did both sensors. So that's why. Cause the other one is back there. Bank 2 is back there, way back there. This is bank 1, pretty easy. So, gonna do this with my hand. Hopefully I don't drop it. Oh yeah, got it. Set it to the side over here. Then I just need something to push down on. Well, I actually can go ahead and remove this out. Okay, yeah, it's pretty bad. So yeah, it is jacked up. This is actually a Duralast. This is how the last one I took out, it was worse than this one. It was burnt out. But yeah, I'm gonna push the clamp on, turn it off, take it off, and go take it to Autozone real quick and have them help me replace it. So I just push down on this green spot. And it will release the sensor. Come on, baby. let me get my flathead. This is actually the old one I had before. See, it's a little, see where the white is on it? It's a little worse. But I need to get that one off. So I need to get my flathead screwdriver and push down on the green part some more to release. But yeah, so I'm going to press in on that green some more. There we go. And that should release the sensor. That one is not coming out. It's a little rusty. There we go. I got that mud out. So I'm going to go trade it in Autozone. Then I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. Go ahead and place the sensor back in here. And call it a wrap. So I have the new sensor that I just got from Autozone. This is it right here. Boom. I just did the warranty exchange on the device, on the sensor. I haven't even had it a good year and it's gone bad. So that should tell me something, right? So I'm going to push this little baby in there. Move everything out the way, kind of, sort of. Let me sit and put my glove on. Put the sensor in there. It's brand new. Okay, line it up correctly. Okay, there we go. Nice and snug. Get the bolt. Screw it back in by hand. Start to screw it back in by hand anyway. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. Then I just need the wrench here. Stick it on there. On there snug and tight, and then I'll just go ahead and put the harness back on. Let me see here. Push it on there, good to go. Get my hose back on. Boom. That's good. Do the clamps. Okay. Clamps on. Still the other one up here. You didn't get to see it earlier. On there. There we go. Clamped on. Next thing is to just put the battery back on. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and place the battery back on. Let me see, stick this out the way. Let me go ahead, socket. it's tight. It's got one more thing to do. This one on here. Okay. Put this socket in. Hold it down. Everything is pretty much fixed, so there you have it, guys. Replacing a camshaft sensor for a 2007 Nissan Maxima. There you got it. There you have it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and crank it up, pull it out the garage, take it to the front for the customer. Good to go. Boom.